Good morning, welcome to Nick's Tips, and this morning I want to show you how to do a really easy takeaway lunch or emergency meal. I'm always looking for ways that we can quickly run into the shops and buy something and make it up so that you can have something really nourishing and plant-based to eat. There's so many takeaway options out there that are processed and heavily laden with fat, but I wanted something that was super easy that I was happy to eat myself. So, starting off with some wraps. Now there are lots and lots of varieties of these. This is the organic wraps. All that's in them is organic wholemeal flour, some organic wheat flour, some filtered water and sea salt. There's rye, there's rice wraps, there's all sorts of varieties. So choose one that you like and have an experiment. So we get one wrap and pop it on our plate, and then we can also buy some hummus. Now this one I get from Coles and I like it. I think you need to check the ingredients because some of them are quite high in fat and have canola oil and all that sort of stuff in it. This has got extra virgin olive oil. Now, you know, it's not incredibly high, and yes, it would be way better if we made our own hummus, but remember, this is an emergency meal. This is a takeaway meal that you can grab when you don't have time to make things for yourself. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to grab, however much you like, tablespoon, pop it on there and just spread it all the way across, like so. Just spread it across. And then we're going to get the Broccoslaw. I can't believe I found this, it's so exciting. Now there's lots of varieties of these as well. All sorts of different ingredients in them. And of course, you could make your own, much better. But remember, emergency meal. When you don't have time, you can't do it yourself. Like I'm traveling at the moment, so, this is just so great. So we grab a handful of this and pop it on, spread it all the way across, like so. We're going to do a wrap, and then you can sprinkle on there, where I'm staying doesn't have any at the moment, but some sort of chili sauce, a little bit of sweet chili sauce or other kind of chili sauce, whatever, floats your boat. Pop a teaspoon on or whatever, and then just spread it along so you get it in every single bite. And then, of course, we're just going to roll. And there you go. You've got your emergency lunch. Now, you could obviously pad this out. Maybe if you found some falafels or something like that, that would be great to break over that and have it. So yeah, just get the imagination going. It's something that you can run into the shops and purchase and buy and be eating in, 10 minutes when you get home. So I hope that helps, and have a great day. Talk to you soon.